On-page SEO Guide. On-page SEO is also known as on-site SEO. In fact, SEO in digital marketing is an integral part of a website. On-page SEO optimization helps web pages to rank high in search engine results and bring organic traffic. It includes optimizing the headlines of the website and HTML tags like title, meta tag, and header. In order to increase a website's visibility in search results, on-page search engine optimization involves optimizing a number of technical factors, including the content and structure of the website. This includes improving the website's position on results pages for search engines, as well as making it simpler for users to find it through targeted search queries. Components of on-page SEO. These components come under an on-page SEO list. High-quality page content. Page content is...
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description. Before
a major part of on-page SEO. It intimates to both search engines and readers what the website and business are all about. The first step for high-quality page content is to choose suitable keywords and topics. HTML elements. HTML elements refer to elements on the website's source code. These HTML elements are done by a developer. It comes under technical on-page SEO. Page title. It is the most important element of on-page SEO. Page titles are known as page tags. It indicates to the visitors and the search engine what they can find on the relevant web page. In the title, 5 words or less than that can be used. In subtitles, 3 to 7 words can be used, not more than 7. In the page title and subtitle, the keywords should be present. It is better to avoid keyword stuffing in order to keep the spam score down. Keyword stuffing can also confuse the search engine in knowing what the web page is about. For example, the best guide on-page SEO in 2026, Sprintzeal. The brand name can be added to the page title. Headers, also called body tags, refer to HTML elements like H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. In header tags, H1 and H2 take the main place. It is because if the visitor searches for something on the search engine, whatever the result comes, the visitor would approach to view headers first. If it's really relevant to the search term, they would click and view it. However, H1 and H2 should contain proper and relevant information. If the heading is not relevant, it is not possible to receive the expected results. Meta description. The meta description is a description that appears under the title of search results. The meta description can be longer, but Google considers only 160 characters. It is better to follow Google instructions to get better results. The entire keyword and key phrase can be used in the meta description. Avoid using special characters like e, an, or plus. These are the basic steps to be followed in the meta description. Image, alt text. Image alt text intimates others and Google what the image in the web page is about. It is important because Google delivers image-based results as well. For example, if a visitor searches for something on the search engine by finding a network issue, first the image comes, then the relevant content appears. It makes it easier for the searcher. This is the main purpose of the image alt text. Keyword sharing is present in image alt text, but no keyword stuffing. In an image, alt text can use 125 characters, not more than a limit. Structured markup. Structured markup or structured data is the process of making up the source code where Google can easily understand the content of the entire website. This comes under technical SEO. The purpose of structured data is to show the specific page of the content to the visitor. Page URLs. Page URL plays a big role when it comes to on-page SEO. If the URL page is not added, the result page won't appear on Google, and it does not help readers or search engines. Hence, it is necessary to add a page URL in Google. In URL pages, it is better to use 1 or 2 keywords and try to avoid unnecessary words. Google accepts both the HTTP and HTTPS URL pages, and it gives more importance to HTTPS. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. HTTPS is used for security reasons. It is better to use HTTPS on the URL page always. Internal linking. Internal linking is the process of interconnecting the links within the website. Internal linking is very important in on-page SEO because it keeps the reader moving from one page to another within the website, provided that the content is valuable. The longer the reader stays on the website, Google observes more information about the website to rank it higher on the search engine result page. And this is the biggest advantage of internal linking. Mobile responsiveness. Nowadays, everyone is carrying their smartphones wherever they go. Google observes whether the sites are mobile-friendly. Google's mobile-friendly tools are used for sites to make mobile-friendly. The site contains lots of information like content, internal linking and external linking, and more. Loading all the information and getting the results on the desktop is easier, but loading time should not affect showing results to the reader on the mobile phone. This is the main reason that the site should be mobile-friendly. Site speed. Whether the reader is viewing by mobile or desktop, it does not matter. Page speed is very important in search engine optimization. For example, if the reader searches for something on the search engine, and if they are able to get the result instantly, it is well good. If the loading page takes time, obviously the reader would prefer to go to another page. So site speed is very important. This site speed also comes under technical on-page SEO.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.